Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Colonel Dave Trybula here at White Sands Missile Range headquarters with an update on Monday, March 23rd. I'd like to start with the New Mexico Governor's press conference. Today at approximately 3 p.m., the governor declared a stay-at-home for New Mexico residents. That stay-at-home order says that all people should stay at their house except for if they need essentials to take care of. So grocery and pharmacy, gas station are all still open, and the intent is that folks can get the supplies that they need. Additionally, it recognizes that there are many folks that will still need to continue to work, and that is an exception for our workforce. And so I want to make sure that folks understand that, whether you are a service member, a government civilian, or a contract employee of White Sands Missile Range, if you have got a mission to perform, then you have an exception to that order. Now, more broadly, I think it's important to understand where we are. There are 83 confirmed cases in New Mexico, 5,321 negative tests, so up substantially in terms of negative tests, and up several in terms of confirmed cases. Where are those confirmed cases? And so as it's being reported right now, there are 34 around Albuquerque with community transmission. There are 2 in Socorro County. Both of those are travel related, and those are 2 of the first ones that we heard of. There are 5 reported in Doña Ana County. All of those are believed to be travel related. And then 6 in El Paso, 4 in Juarez. And that's based on reports. As I was preparing to tape this video, we received, in addition to what I reported above, the first positive case of a White Sands Missile Range employee. And so we have 1 employee who has tested positive for COVID-19. That individual has been teleworking for more than a week. And so I wanted to make sure everyone understands that. And as I told you, as circumstances change, our posture will change. And so I've got several changes to our posture that I wanted to share with you. The Army has suspended the Army physical fitness test for soldiers. Our dental clinic is changing to emergency only. And so if you are active duty in need of emergency dental procedures, please call 575-674-3597. Effective midnight tonight, our Trusted Traveler program will be suspended. This means that instead of checking 1 ID in a car, we will check 100% of the IDs. The RV park will stop taking future reservations. If you are here, you can extend. The theater is closed. And folks will say, well, it's been closed. There was an issue with the Blu-ray player, and we will work to have that fixed while the theater remains closed, but it is closed effective midnight. The library is shifting to takeout only. Please call ahead so that your books or videos or CDs can be ready for you to take out. Gym classes are canceled, but let me be clear, gym and the annexes will remain open, only the classes are canceled. Eating establishments will shift to takeout only. That's the Frontier Club, Subway, and the Coyote Snack Bar. The Spare Time Lounge and the Roadrunner lanes will close. I want a special shout out to CYS, CDC, and MST employees. You are critical and mission essential, and your support has gone above and beyond ensuring those employees that need to work have a place where their children are safe and being taken care of by some of the best in the world. Let me close with a couple of things. All of the healthcare professionals at the state, national level say the next week to 2 weeks are critical in being able to knock down the growth of the number of folks that are getting COVID-19. And therefore, we've got several different folks taking extraordinary measures to try and stop the prevention. As I've said from day one, the first line of defense is ourselves, the individual, how you take care of yourself and your family. And so the governor is allowing travel and allowing you to be able to go out and go to a restaurant, to the grocery, etc. Anyone who's traveling, be smart about how many folks you take, where you're stopping, what you're doing, how you're interacting, when you're taking additional precautions to wipe down things, and being able to make sure that you are keeping not only yourself safe, but if you're traveling, you're touching folks on both ends of that travel. Where you left from, where you're going to, and frankly, where you're coming back to if it's a different place. So I ask, think about what you're doing, be smart, be prudent. Additionally, I ask all supervisors, look hard at the folks that you've got working. What is the mission that they're doing? And is there an opportunity to increase our telework posture? Understand that we've got critical missions going on that need to continue, and in many cases, support that enables the well-being or the support for that workforce is also mission essential. So really think about who you need to be in the workplace and who can telework. Thank you for joining me this evening, and we will update you tomorrow evening.